Hello viewers, I am from BD Laptop Bazaar. I will show how to replace Dell Latitude E7450 battery. You can see the model below your keyboard. Then flip the laptop and pull the button and open the spoiled battery. Then take a original battery because most of the Dell laptop support only original battery. Open the box and take the original battery. Now replace it as I show. After replacement, you can check whether the battery is well or not. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to get more update about replacing laptop battery keyboard, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.